Hi guys, so I just kind of want to share with you my straight teeth direct journey so far. For a long time my teeth have been something that's bothered me. When I was in high school I'd had fixed braces, which I think I had on for about a period of 2 years. They'd said to me, you only need to wear your retainers up to a year after your treatment, which I did, and then gradually over a course of like years my teeth started to become like wonky again. For the past couple of years having my teeth straightened has been something that I've considered, and I've had consultations at dentists, and the problem has always been the cost. I've been personally quoted over £3,000. That's where straight teeth direct piqued my interest really. I looked into it and I was quite sceptical because it was less than half the cost, and then that's when I started doing some research on them, and all I can say is that they were by far the best reviewed. And so I just thought, you know what, I'll order an impressions kit. I was really surprised how quick they managed to send out the impression kit. It was literally like almost next day delivery, I think. You kind of have someone holding your hand every step of the way really. You get assigned a dentist. They sent me through the 3D simulation. So this is what my teeth are gonna look like, and this is what they look like now. Look how exciting this is. These are my bottom set of teeth, and this is what they're gonna be like. Look how they're gonna look. I'm so I get so excited. So this is my teeth now, and that is exactly what they're gonna do and what my smile's gonna look like. So this is my teeth at the moment. This is without the aligners in. So that's the bottom setting. That's the top set, and I mean, you can't really tell. Even my fiance, when he came home, he was like, oh, have you got them in? He was quite surprised that I was wearing them and that you couldn't see them. I might only be on the beginning of my journey, but I'm so excited. I would really highly recommend, if it's something that you're thinking of going for, then yeah, do it.